For a double pergola build of any size, the first step is to build the top of the first side. Lay out your brackets and lumber for the top, using cardboard underneath the brackets to prevent damage. Then create the U shape. And then secure the brackets to the lumber with the provided screws. Next, create the I shape in the same way. Connect the I and the U shape, securing them with screws. Once the top is complete, and solo brackets have been placed and fastened on all of the vertical posts, lift one side and insert 2 vertical posts into the bottom of the quad or trio brackets and secure with screws. Lift the other side and insert the remaining 2 vertical posts and secure with screws. Once you have the first side of the double pergola standing and secured, build the second side. To do this, create a U shape. Then lift and insert the legs into the bottom of the trio brackets. Finally, lift and insert the second side into the quad brackets. Secure with screws, apply caps, and enjoy.